before I say anything in the video, I'm just gonna go around a little, and maybe I can. Let me just shut up and just record for a bit. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I'm picking her up back today. Let's see what's back here. More cars. Alright, let's look what's in the shop. Okay, this is his NA. He drifts with it. Yeah, that's his drift car. Let's go into the shop. That's my Audi.
Fix them up.
Alright. Into the shop we go. Got a bumper. A few things here. Another bumper. Who wants a turbo? Got turbos for days back here. Look at that. This one is damaged, as you can see, but the rest are good to go. Going into customer cars. Got a bumper here. Alright. Get into the shop where the magic happens. Look at that. Next project coming up. Can't even. Beautiful. Those are going in. When you've got TT, you have another TT right there. Have a Porsche. I think it came with the Cayenne, I think. Yeah. Took it apart. It's another block. These are damaged pistons. The block is out, getting bored out. It's the engine right here. This is about to get some work done, you know, customer stuff. It's a Z. This is another Z. This is another Z. This is NA to TT swap in the works. That's where all those parts on the floor are going to. They're going into this. It's going to be a beast. Have another Z right there. Have an engine. Have another engine. I can keep going. You have another engine. Have another engine. Come on. Another TT back there. So this is JaredsZPerformance in Georgia. I will put the description in the video. You have any work that you want to get done. It doesn't even have to be a Z, because he does everything. I have known him for about 1.5 years now, and I'm very impressed with what he does, the work he does, and what he's done for me. These are some more engines and transmissions back here. So, yeah, that's another drift car of his. He has a shell back there. This is basically his shop, and he does everything there is that you'd ever need to be done on your car. He does everything. He will build from scratch if it comes to that. So yeah, I'll put the description in the video. I'm gonna step out, show you guys my car in a little bit. But yeah, this is him. This is his shop. It was just amazing work. Amazing, amazing work. Look at all this. It took me like 3 years to collect all these parts to put in my car, and this customer has it all going in at once. Should be fun. Alright, so yeah, you've seen the shop. See if I can show you my car right quick. There's a few more Z's out here. And my bumper is going back on. just gorgeous work right here. So like I said, the description will be under the video. And he built a different exhaust. I'm gonna show you if I can get to it. Right there. This is 2.5 all the way, coming to my X pipe. So this is good work. All right, people. Peace.